So today we are going to show you the overall advertising for YouTube on Google Ads. Okay, going to show you what is the result and how much does it cost and is it worth it. Okay, so right now I actually did a video campaign. Okay, so I did only 2 days, and then I didn't really focus on certain countries because I just want to gain subscribers, gain some attention, conversion, and things like that. So the CPC, which means the cost of per click, it will be a little bit lower because the country is very cheap. Okay, so right now in 2 days it gave me almost like 35,000 impressions. Okay, and cost me around $10 for 544 views. So if you actually go on my YouTube, you can see it actually gave me exactly 500 views. Okay, so I'm going to show you right here. As you can see, it's actually giving me a little bit more views, but it cost me $10. Okay, so does it work? It depends on you, but for sure it will grab some attention. So if you go in here, right here, this is my ad. It actually gave me extra 500 views, but however, the pay for this one on this channel is only $1.72. But on here, I already paid $10 out. So, which is, not good. So in here, you can see out of 35,000 times, only the click-through rate is only 1.51%. In here, it will shows you mobile, how many times they views, tablet, TV screen, and things like that. Very interesting. Okay, and then right here it shows you where does it show. Okay, display network or YouTube, things like that. In here it will show you what age, okay, being clicking on your thing. Okay, so it shows that around 25 to 34 years old is the most people who click on it. All right, and then gender, basically more male than female, want to learn how to run a perfect YouTube ads. But this one here, if I say Google, maybe a little bit more. Okay, in here it shows me that around Sunday 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. that's when it run the ads. And right here it shows me Saturday 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. it runs the ads as well too. These two combined already give me almost 500 views with no problem. Okay, and then when I actually saw my pay, I actually stopped the ads right here. But as you can see right now, the cost is on almost like $10 for 95 clicks, which means it's almost less than $1 for sure. But as I said, if I put this as in a country, it will actually cost a little bit more. Okay, and then right here it will show you the hour. Okay, so 7 to 8 a.m. only 10, 17, 26 and 170 views. Okay, same as this one here, 310 views and then 10 views right here. Okay, so it will show you exactly what you need, and here it will show you it just dropped. Okay, no one gonna watch me for the next 5 minutes. But because I didn't really pay attention on how to run ads on this one, I just post the whole entire video for the ads. So if I make the ad shorter, okay, let's just say shorter, then it will be much better. But because I didn't really pay attention on that, that's why it's like that. All right, so in here on the network, you can see there's YouTube and there's Google Display Network. Okay, it actually shows 1,447 times and there's 19 views. Okay, you can see that. And on YouTube itself, it shows almost 34,000 views and times, but it only 525 views on that, and it cost me $9. These are legit people, okay, audience. So it's not like really like scam or bot, but these are like legit. Okay, so overall right here you can see 544 views for $10.58. So compared to YouTube ads, okay, so which one is cheaper, you decide. Okay, so on here you can see this one, 142 views, $45, $21 for 183 views. Okay, this one here, it gave me almost 11 new subscribers, 8 new subscribers, 0 new subscribers. This one here, 56 views for $20. Okay, so there's two things you need to know. So on Google ads, you can actually set it up on a very cheap price, okay, for your ads. For YouTube promotions, you cannot set it up. If you want to set it up, like let's just say if you want to promote your YouTube, you cannot have any suggestions. When you click this, and this is all you're gonna get, okay, and your ads will get very a lot of money. Okay, so if you have decided if you want to do that, make sure that you know what you want to say before you promote, and make sure that you get enough money, enough pay in order to do that. All right, so this is like $56 for 56 views for $20. On Google ads, it's almost like 544 views for only $10, which is pretty cheap. All right, so make sure that you know what you want. But you know, if I change the country, I'm not sure how much does it cost for that. But at the end of the day, I can show you one more time. This thing here, okay, I paid $20 for 56 views, but in here I can tell you it actually generate me a lot more incomes. I can show you right here. It's actually generate me pretty good incomes because it already gave me a lot of passive views. You can see that right now. Okay, it gave me a lot of passive views. Yes, it's only cost me $27. That means I make $7 profit, but this one will not stop. It will keep on going and going and going and going. All right, so that's why this is very important. If your keywords is right, if your attention is right, if your content is good, people will keep watching you and YouTube will keep promoting you. Okay, remember that. This is one of the example I would like to show it to people. So I hope this will help you. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.